Welcome back to my channel, this Plant Lifestyles. On this channel, I teach about plants, their spiritual use, their health benefits. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and then share to your friends to also benefit from the video. Today, I want to talk about how to enhance your hips and then enhance the manhood of men. Yes, there are some people complaining. I have been getting a lot of messages, a lot of complaints, explaining how I can use natural ways to enhance my body part. Yes, today I'm going to teach about enhancing your manhood and then enhancing your hips for the ladies. Yes, so what are the plants that I can combine? What are the natural ways? In fact, there are a lot of medicine out there claiming they can enhance your body parts, but after buying tons of them, it doesn't go anywhere. Yes, and one thing I want to talk about is when you are using medicine, or if you are using a product to enhance your body, what is needed is the persistence. Like, you have to use it for a while because the body needs to take time to respond to the medicine. Yes, so today I'm going to use this opportunity to teach both men and women, that is enhancing the hips and then also enhancing the male performance and the male enhancement. Okay, so let's see. You see on the screen this plant. Yes, it's called Sida Acuta. I'm starting with the men. It's called Sida Acuta, and you have this plant too called the sausage plant. Yes, you are going to combine these two plants for the men. For if you're a man and then you are suffering from premature ejaculation, or your manhood is more satisfactory, yeah, then this is what we are going to do. You get this, that is the Sida Acuta root. We are going to get the root, and then we are going to get the sausage plant. The sausage plant, the fruit is what is needed. Once you get the fruit, you are going to cut the fruit into pieces, and then you are going to dry it. After drying it, you use the sun to dry it very well, and then pound it, make a powder form of it. Yes, make a powder form of it. And then this is what we are going to do. We are going to divide the powder into two, and then the Sida Acuta, the dry, you get the root and dry it. Once you get the root and dry it, you are going to boil it. You are going to boil it. You are going to take a tea early in the morning. Once you take the tea, add a half spoon of the powder from the sausage plant into your tea, and then once you divide the powder into two, use half of the powder to mix with shea butter, or that is, shea butter is the best, so use half and mix it with shea butter. So early in the morning, you take your tea, you use, after bathing, you use the shea butter to rub your, that is, your private part. And then you do this continuous, please, I repeat, do this continuous for not less than 3 weeks. Your body needs to awaken and then start activating and then start growing, because the first week is for activation, the second week is for growing, and then the third week is to what? Help it grow. So don't do it less than 3 weeks. Okay, and once again, we want to dive into the ladies' parts where they want to enhance their hips. For the ladies, we are going to get this plant, that is the sausage plant, exactly the sausage plant. And then once you get the sausage plant, you're also going to get this plant is called the Gorontula. You get the Gorontula, we are going to get the sausage plant. The sausage plant, we are going to mix half with that is the, we are going to do it the same thing as what the men did. We are going to divide it into two, and then also use half for your shea butter, and you are going to use half for your tea. Yes, so early in the morning, you make a hot water, then you mix with your, that is, you mix your powder in it, then you take your drink. You can strain it and take your drink. After taking your drink, the one you've mixed with, that is the shea butter, you are going to rub it at your hips area, rub it in a circular form, yes, at your hip area. Then once again, this Gorontula, every night when you are going to sleep, take 2 and then rub. Take your tea, take 2 Gorontula, rub. Don't take it less than 3 weeks. I repeat, don't take it less than 3 weeks. It should be more than 3 weeks. Yes, and we are going to appreciate this. And if you need any of the ingredients to buy and then you don't have any place to buy, just contact me, let me know, and it will be sent to you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. See you in the other video.